Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today we are back with another hair video, and today I'm going to share with you one of the things I have been doing on my daughter's hair to keep her hair growing, flourishing, and all the good things. Now if you're interested, keep watching to the end. Now let's get started with this video. One of the things that I do on her hair is to always do treatment, and for today's treatment the first ingredient will be onions. But I will skip showing you how I cut onions because I showed this so many times, and voila, we have all our onions cut in small pieces. Now that I have my onion cut in small pieces, I'm going to transfer them into the cup of my blender. Some of the benefits of using onions on our hair is that onions can reduce dandruff and also can promote hair growth. Onions contain sulfur, which increases the production of collagen, and collagen produces healthy skin cells. Now that I transfer all my onions, I'm gonna get my second ingredient, which is rosemary leaves. Now we'll put as many as I want in this cup. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for similar content. Few of the benefits of using rosemary on our hair is that rosemary fights against dryness, itchiness, and irritation of our scalp. Rosemary also strengthens our hair follicles. After that, I will get some water and put it in my cup. Next, I'm going to blend all of these together. I try to put enough water to make the straining process easy. Now it's time to strain our juice out. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab a cup, or in my case a measurement cup, get a wig cap, put it on the top of the cup or the measurement cup. Next, I will transfer my juice on top of the wig cap to strain out any extra small pieces that might be in this juice. I made a lot because I'm going to be using the remaining for something else, but don't worry about that for today. Now what we are going to do is just squeeze out the juice out of this juice. I'm always careful when squeezing out the juice because I'm afraid that it's going to make a hole on the wig cap. Maybe next time I should use 2 wig cap. So now what I'm going to do is just squeeze out the juice as much as I can, and I will be careful not to make a hole. Now that I squeeze out all my juice, I'm going to transfer this into a bottle. If you have this type of spray bottle, don't transfer into this spray bottle because this spray bottle is only for water. I made a mistake of using this, and this broke on me, as you will see later on in the video. Now it's time to apply this on my daughter's hair. As you can see, what I'm going to be doing here is just spraying this on her hair. She had her hair into 2 big braids. As I'm taking out the braids, I will be spraying this on her hair. I never take out braid when the hair is dry. Sometimes I use aloe gel, sometimes I use oil. For today, I wanted to use this onion and rosemary water, rosemary juice all together to take out the braids. Also treat her hair. This is the part when the spray bottle started to shut out on me and it wasn't spraying anymore, so I had to transfer into a different applicator bottle. After putting this onion and rosemary juice all over her hair, I'm going to cover her hair with a plastic bag. Let her sit with this under a steamer for about 15 minutes or so. Usually I leave it for 30 minutes or an hour. After letting her sit with this for 30 minutes or so, I'm going to rinse her hair out and continue with our regular wash day routine. This is how her hair looks without any product on it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that I was able to show you or teach you something, anything. If I was, please consider pressing the like button. Share this video with someone that you know that will enjoy this video. And why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.
You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look to you. I'm here 'cause I love you. Hold you for now. Hold you for now.